everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I finally got around to making my second makeup tutorial. Thank you, Casey, for kind of kicking my butt to get going. Thank you for everyone that has watched my videos so far. Sorry it's been a while since I posted anything. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent with everything. Things have happened and I have other videos that I'm planning on doing, so just keep an eye out for them. But really excited to get the next video in, but this one's gonna be a makeup tutorial about the look that I have on now. So if you're interested in recreating this look, just stay tuned and I will walk you through it.
This is that once in a life.
So first I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my eyelid. I'm going to use my finger to just apply it all over my eye. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette with my eyeshadow brush from Sephora, and I'm going to be using Rolling in the Dough, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid from the brow bone down to the eyelid. To be using my Sephora blending brush, and I'm going back into the same palette and using the color So Boujee, and I'm going to blend that into the crease of my eyelid. Next, I'm going into the Nubian Palette by Juvias, and I'm taking the darkest matte color in that palette with the same blending brush, and I'm going to put that into the crease on top of the lighter color. I'm going to take my MAC paint pot again, and I'm going to take one of my Storybook brushes, and I'm going to almost do like a cut crease with it. We just want to have a nice clean place to put the purple color that we're going to put on next. Next, I'm going to take my Sephora eyeshadow brush again, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay Distortion Palette, and I'm going to use the color Rogue, and I'm going to put that right where the lines meet. And then I'm going to take my Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm going to use that same eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the color Exorcism, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And I'm even going to go up into the purple I just put in. It's going to be a lot of fallout with this color, so just be prepared to wipe it away a lot. And I'm going to go in with a clean Farrah blending brush, and I'm kind of just going to try to blend where the brown and the purple meet so it just looks nice and pretty and blended.
And then I'm going to get my eyeshadow brush again from Sephora and go back into that palette, the Kat Von D one, and put the color Worship all over the eye. It kind of just makes it a little bit more purple. Since I don't have like a really bright purple, I'm just using my darker colors. And I'm going to go back in with that Farrah blending brush and blend the line again just to make sure it's nice and clean and pretty. And again, I'm going to use my MAC paint pot with the same brush I used before, and I'm going to put it underneath the eye so then it really picks up the colors I'm going to put. Then I'm going to go in with this pencil brush from Storybook, and I'm going to go into the color So Boujee from the Too Faced Chocolate Palette. And I'm going to put it under, and then I'm going to go with the same pencil brush in the Juvias palette, and I'm going to go in the dark color, and I'm going to put it under my eye, just like you kind of did with this top eyelid, we're going to do with the bottom of our eye. I'm going to go in with my Sephora smudge brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Rogue from the Distortion Palette, and I'm going to put it under the eye. We're basically doing the exact same thing we did with the eyelid underneath the eye, so it looks the same. And Exorcism is next, and after that will be the Worship color. You might notice that I am not bringing it all the way to the inner corner because we're going to put a highlighter in next for that. Next, I'm going to take my Ofra and Nikki Tutorials highlighter Everglow, and I'm going to take the lightest color, and that is going to be in our inner corner. And I'm pretty sure I use the same smudge brush. I always clean my brushes in between when I use the same one. Next, I'm going to take my Architect Slim Eyeliner that's waterproof from LA Splash. The tip is so amazing. It's not felt, it's a brush. The formula is okay, but like it makes the most beautiful lines. Like you can do as skinny as you want. It's very easy to do a winged liner where you don't make a huge wing on the end. Like it's a very good tool to have when you're trying to make a cat eye. Next, I'm going to take my Still a Huge mascara, and I'm going to put that on my top eyelashes and my bottom eyelashes. Next, I'm going to take my AM to PM eyeliner from Lottie in Mocha, and I'm going to put that on my waterline.
And this is the finished look. I did put lipstick on after the video. Everything that I use I put in the description underneath, and if you have any questions, just comment. I will try to answer the best that I can so that hopefully you can understand how or what I used. Also, just remember to please like, subscribe to my channel, and just come on this new journey with me that hopefully is just going to keep going and getting better and better, and just more videos and not just makeup tutorials. So just thank you everybody again, and see you next time. And also the spoiler alert, this little one, this pain in the butt, is going to be the star of his own video of some stuff that we're getting tomorrow. Isn't that right, Benji? He's so nervous. Don't you see him shaking? muggle disguise.